How to make XEROX B205 chipless. INKCHIP FIX Reset Firmware will help you. You will need a computer with Windows operating system, the internet connection, and USB cable. Note, your printer driver should already be installed on your computer. Connect your printer to the computer using the USB cable. Visit the INKCHIP.net website, open the laser page. Choose the language to download the software. Then launch the software and check if your printer is on, connected to the computer through USB, an internet connection is established, and the driver is installed. The program will automatically identify your firmware version and generate an appropriate file for your printer model. Click Next. Click Buy to proceed to checkout. The payment page will open. If it's not for some reason, press Copy button and insert it into your browser's address bar. It will allow you to proceed to payment for the chipless firmware. Enter the data. You have successfully submitted the order. If you see this message during the payment, it means that your printer model is not supported for chipless firmware. Send us your data and we will work on it. If you see this message during the payment, it means that your printer is not recognized. Check once more if your printer is on, connected to the computer through USB only, an internet connection is established, and the driver is installed. You will receive the email with the chipless firmware file in 15 minutes after the payment is successful. Download zipped file. To install the chipless firmware, you need to enter recovery mode. Turn the printer off and wait at least 1 minute. Open the printer's front cover. Disconnect the power cord. Press and hold the power button down. Connect the power cord to the printer while holding the power button down. Wait for 3 seconds and then release the button. The sleep mode button will flash green. Wait for several seconds until the computer recognizes the printer. Unpack the zipped files of the chipless firmware using WinZip or WinRAR. You need the firmware file. Its name begins with Fix. Using the mouse or touchpad, drag this file and drop it on the firmware installer. The chipless firmware installation will start. Once it finishes, your printer will be rebooted and the power light will go on. That's it. Your printer is chipless. Get the cartridge from the printer, tape the contacts and insert the cartridge back into the printer. Note: INKCHIP FIX Reset Firmware is non-refundable. It's generated for only one printer and can't be used on other printers. Please note you shouldn't update the printer's firmware. Otherwise, it will reset to default settings, so you will need to recover the chipless firmware. Wishing you good prints!